can't download and install the HP app on your Mac. If you're having difficulty downloading and installing the HP app, there are a few steps you can take to resolve the issue. After each step in this video, try to download the app again. If you encounter the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Check Mac requirements and settings. If you get an App Store message that your computer is unsupported, check the system requirements in the app information, and then update your Mac. Click the Apple menu, select System Settings, and then click Software Update to check for and install any available operating system updates. Then, try to download the HP app again. Step 2. Check the network settings. In order to install and use the app, make sure your Mac is connected to an active internet connection. The geographical location of your network can also affect your ability to download the app. If your computer is connected to a virtual private network, or VPN for short, disable it before downloading the app. Step 3. Use HP print drivers or AirPrint as a workaround. If your printer or computer does not meet the requirements, or if the app download issues persist, you can use alternate setup methods. To print using HP print drivers and software, go to 123.hp.com/setup. Follow the prompts to install the recommended print driver and software for your printer and complete the setup. If the software isn't available for your printer, set up the printer using Apple AirPrint. To use AirPrint, connect the printer to the same network as your Mac, or use a direct USB connection. On your Mac, click the spotlight icon, and then search for and open printers and scanners. If your printer isn't listed, click Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax or the Add button, and then follow the instructions to complete the setup process.